Hi everybody and welcome back to the How to Set Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to manage the auto feature in your SOUNDCORE Select 2S speaker. So, actually at first we have to download the application for our phone, which is called the SOUNDCORE. Here in this application we have to tap this gear icon in the top right corner, and here we have to find auto power off. We have to tap that, and here now we can disable and enable the auto off or set the time from 5 minutes up to 60 minutes. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. If you have any questions you can ask them in the comments below.